How to make money with affiliate marketing. Are you interested in making money online? If the answer is yes, then affiliate marketing might be the perfect option for you. In this video, we will be discussing affiliate marketing in detail and explaining what it is, how it works, and some of the benefits that you can achieve by joining up as an affiliate. We hope that after watching this video, you will be able to decide if affiliate marketing is the right fit for you and start working on your first campaign as soon as possible. Number 1. Create a website or blog for your niche. To make money with affiliate marketing, the first thing you need is a website. When it comes to building your website, you have tons of options, but we highly recommend using WordPress. With WordPress, anyone can quickly build a professional-looking website in minutes, even if you don't know how to code. Plus, WordPress has more tools to help their sites perform at a higher level than other website builders. That means more functionality across your site and a better user experience, or UX, for your visitors. Number 2. Choose affiliate products to promote. If you've done the work to choose a niche, choosing affiliate products to promote should be easy. Choose products that fit your niche and relate to your content. One of the best ways to select your affiliate products is by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are businesses that connect merchants and affiliate marketers so both can earn more money. Affiliate marketers use affiliate networks to make better product selections to promote on their site. There are many affiliate networks out there, but here are a few of the most popular: Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. One of the benefits of affiliate networks is they typically have more data on how well a product sells. You can use that data to increase your affiliate marketing profits. Okay, now that you have your website built and you know which products you want to promote, it's time to dive into our exact process for making money with affiliate marketing. How to make money with affiliate marketing. Now that you have a website and joined an affiliate network, it's the right time to start monetizing your site with affiliate marketing. Let's get started. Step 1. Create content that generates affiliate revenue. In an effort to make money with affiliate marketing, most beginners simply publish some random content and insert affiliate links within the article. That strategy may or may not work, but if you truly want to boost your affiliate revenue, you'll need to make sure the content you publish reaches your target audience. Your target audience is someone who wants to buy a product, but not sure whether or not the product is worth it. Sometimes, the user may not even know which product to buy for fulfilling their needs. As an affiliate marketer, it's your job to help users discover the right product for their needs with high-quality content. Help them make a purchasing decision, and then navigate them to the product website for completing the purchase. Step 2. Promote your affiliate products in the content. Now you know what kind of content you're going to produce. Investigational. You're looking for topics that revolve around your target audience, searching for an answer to the problem they're facing. Once you've done your keyword research and you have your content ideas, it's time to start inserting affiliate links into your content. The way that you insert your affiliate links will depend on the specific article you're writing. It wouldn't make sense to add affiliate links to 5 different products if you're doing a product review. On the other hand, if you're showcasing the top 10 tools for solving X, you would want to put in multiple affiliate links to increase your chances of making more sales. The goal is to insert your links as strategically as possible. Here are a few tips you can use to get the most out of your affiliate links placement. Only link where appropriate. Don't add an affiliate link if it doesn't fit in your content. This will negatively impact the user experience, or UX, and cost you more lost sales in the long run. Add links as early as possible. If you're showcasing many products in one article, make sure you add your affiliate products at the top of the list. Most people won't take the time to read an entire article. You want to make sure they see your affiliate links early on. Get more out of your site's space. You can use floating bars, inclined banners, and sidebar widgets to promote your affiliate products. These enhance the impact of your content and lead to more sales over time. Step 3. Turn your visitors into affiliate customers. One of the biggest mistakes new affiliate marketers make is assuming they need to 10x their traffic if they want to 10x their profit. It actually doesn't work that way, which is great news for you. For example, let's say that you're promoting a product on your site that pays $50 as affiliate commission for every sale you make. And imagine that your affiliate conversion rate is 2%, meaning for every 100 visitors you send to that website, 2 of them are buying the product. That means the CPC, or cost per click, you earn is $1 per click. But what if you could send 2 times more visitors to the affiliate product site? Based on the CPC value, you could double the affiliate revenue as well. And the best part? You don't have to increase traffic to your site. Instead, you could simply set up a conversion optimization campaign that boosts your revenue. Step 4. Optimize your existing traffic for more revenue. The next step comes from a strategy that's driven by something called the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule, in this case, suggests that 80% of your profits will come from 20% of your content. It's obviously not an exact metric, but the basic principle stands firm. Identify your highest converting content and make it a priority for affiliate campaigns. Once you know that a particular post or video is resonating with your audience, you can create a targeted campaign with Opt-in Monster to increase affiliate sales. This is a much better plan of action than blindly making campaigns for every page on your site. How do you get started? Jump into your Google Analytics dashboard, identify the articles that bring in the most content, and then create targeted campaigns for those URLs. Step 5. Grow affiliate revenue from your email list. No matter how you look at it, email marketing is still the best way to earn passive income. All of the other methods fall short in some way. SEO is great until Google changes its algorithm and your rankings tank. Paid ads can bring quick results if you have the budget to fail your way upwards. And even then, paid ads require constant care and attention to keep conversion rates high. But your email list is traffic that's always yours. Plus, it's full of people who have an interest in your niche and have already engaged with your content. That means you know they're interested in your niche, and they'll make for an excellent audience for your affiliate marketing campaigns. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.